I'm gonna give you a tour of the new house. As you can see, it's completely empty, doesn't have anything. It's been completely remodeled, everything is new. This building is about 100 years old, and my boyfriend who's behind the camera did all the hard work.
Yeah, on my fingers there still.
Yeah, there's still, you can see it on his hands, believe me. But yeah, he did the paint, he did the floors. There was carpet in here, and it's not here anymore, and like now there's like hardwood floors, so that was a big surprise. But yeah, I'm very happy. This area is kind of like the living room, dining room area, but we're thinking that it's too big to be both because we have another like dining room area down there. So we're still thinking what we're gonna do here. Probably the living room there and something else here. But follow me to the first bedroom. One thing I want to point out is that this heater here, I am not particularly in love with. So we're thinking of some way to like hide it and make it like not very visible. Still working on it though. So this is the master bedroom, and so this is the master bedroom, and the previous owner removed the wall that it was in here because it was a 3-bedroom before. I'm very happy that they did because now it's bigger, it is more spacious, and it's gonna have like more room for like everything, you know. So I think it's a pretty good size. It has a big closet in here, and like where, as you can see, there's not much in it yet, but I think the final result is gonna be absolutely cool and pretty, and I can't wait to show you that next. There's like nothing in there. We can move on to the dining room area, which is this one that I was telling you about before. So I think that this area is good for like a dining room, you know, like a dining table and stuff. And then if you come this way, we have this like built in the wall, kind of like a display area for like china or any little decor items that you want to put in there. I think this is very unique because you usually don't see this in houses anymore. So I'm actually very happy about this, and I think it's gonna turn out very, very pretty. I don't know what I'm putting there yet, but I think it's gonna look great. So over here we have the bathroom, and one of the things I love about the bathroom is the floor. The floor is absolutely gorgeous. My boyfriend did it as well. And it's great, it's like geometric, I love geometric. And one of the little surprises is that on the sink we have this little gold detail. And I don't know about you, but I love gold on decor. So I think this is a little bit of a surprise, and we can like actually use it to decor the rest of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, nothing spectacular about it. There's a tub in there, toilet, sink, normal bathroom. And then we have a second bedroom, which is this one. This is a bit smaller than the previous one, obviously, but I think it's still a pretty decent space. We're gonna maybe use this as a like office, guest bedroom, and so on. And it has 2 closets. You're sitting in one of them. So this is 1, this is 2, so we have plenty of storage. And yeah, I think this is gonna turn out pretty good as well. This is the door for the backyard. So whenever it's ready, I'm gonna show you the backyard. And then we have the fridge over here, and then we have the kitchen finally. So this kitchen is like not super spectacular, it's not too big, not too small. We have a washer and dryer, which is very, very useful, and the sink and the stove, and we also have the built-in like pantries back there, which is another thing that is kind of like unique. As I told you before, this is old building, so I think that's what it was like in trend back then. But I think it's going to be very, very useful, and it's also actually very subtle as well. So this is the area that needs a little bit more work right now. It's not ready yet, but I think it's turning out super, super cute. Also, I don't know if you saw, but there is this beautiful light piece up here that it was already there, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's beautiful, and I think it's gonna go good with like the decoration that we're gonna put everywhere. So yeah, I think that's the complete tour. I hope you liked it. If you like to see the final result, like when everything's furnished and ready and so on, leave it in the comment below so I can give you guys an update. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your loved ones. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you next time. Bye!